Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter linear equations in one variable. Exercise 2.2, first section. Find x in the following figures. Observe this diagram. ABC is a triangle and this D point extend BC line segment located at D point. The exterior angle of this triangle ACD is 123 degrees. Asked to find the value of x. Angle A, angle B, angle C. We had only angle A. Angle C value we don't know. Now, here at point C, on a line, there are two angles. One is interior angle, another one is exterior angle. Like angles are called linear pair. So again, what is mean by linear pair? If two angles are common point and common edge are called linear pair. See, these two angles had a common point C and these two angles had a common line segment, common arm, common edge AC. So these two are linear pair. Then linear pair is always 180 degrees. If one of the angle 123 degrees, then another angle is 10 minus 3, 7, 7 minus 2, 57 degrees. So interior angle of this triangle C is 57 degrees. Now, given triangle ABC, angle A 56, angle B X, angle C don't know. Okay. Angle ACD at point C, arm AC, arm CD, angle is 123 degrees. This is exterior angle. Now angle ACB, ACD are linear pair. This angle and this angle are linear pair. For linear pair condition is common point, common arm. C is common point for both angles. AC is common arm for both angles. Now angle ACB, angle ACD linear pair 180 degrees. If one of the angle 123 degrees, then automatically another angle is 57 degrees. Sum of the measures of all angles in a triangle. In any triangle, sum of interior angles always 180 degrees. So angle A, angle B, angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A how much? 56. Angle B X, angle C 57 is equal to 180. 56, 57, 50, 50, 100, 107 and 6, 113. X plus 113 is equal to 180 degrees. Send this 113 is equal to that side. Doing here addition after transport, subtraction. 180 minus 113 gives 67 degrees. So value of x is 67 degrees. Now next second one. Here given one diagram. Observe this diagram carefully. PQ are 3 points and PQR is a triangle. Angle P given, angle R given, then we can find angle Q. So PQR is a triangle, angle P, angle Q, angle R. Sum of all interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. 45 plus angle Q 3x plus 16 plus 68 is equal to 180 degrees. Here constant numbers 45, 16, 68 sum is 129. 3x plus 129 is equal to 180. 3x send this 180 is equal to that side. 180 minus 129 gives 51. 3x is equal to 51. X is equal to 51 by 3. 3 1 is 3. 2 remaining 21. 3 sevens are 21. So value of x is equal to 17 degrees. Asked question up to here completed. Now to find angle Q, extra information. To find angle Q, 3x plus 16. Besides of x, substitute 17 plus 16. 3 17s are 51 plus 16. 50, 10, 60, 1, 6, 7, 67. Angle Q is 67 degrees. Next, third problem. ABC is a triangle, angle A, angle B, angle C. If given two angles in a triangle, then easily we can find the third angle of a triangle using angle sum property. Okay. Now, sum of the measures of all angles in a triangle 180 degrees. Angle A, angle B, angle C 180 degrees. Angle A how much? 25 degrees. Angle B x angle C 30 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 25 plus 30 55 degrees. X plus 55 is equal to 180. To know the value of x, send this 55 is equal that side. Doing here addition after transpose subtraction. 180 minus 55, 125 degrees. So value of x is 125 degrees. Now next fourth problem. In triangle XYZ, one triangle. When we observe this triangle, two lines here, same two lines means the length of xi and the length of xz is same in length. If in a triangle two sides are equal, then we can name that triangle is isosceles triangle. After that, what are the properties of isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, two sides are congruent. These two sides opposite angles also equal. Understood? Here xz, xy, this side equal. Xy opposite angle z, xz opposite angle y. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 45 degrees because of these two angles also equal in a isosceles triangle. Equal sides opposite angles also equal in isosceles triangle. This is one of the property. So in triangle XYZ, xy is equal to xz. So opposite this xyz, opposite this xz y. These two angles are congruent to each other. Sorry, these two sides are congruent. Then these two sides opposite angles also congruent to each other. Now angle y is equal to angle z. Angle y 2x plus 7 is equal to 45. 2x is equal to 45 minus 7, 38. X is equal to 38 by 2. Value of x is equal to 19 degrees. Substitute to find the angle y. Angle y is equal to 2x plus 7. 2 of 19 plus 7. 19 2s are 38 plus 7, 45 degrees. Okay, fourth problem also completed. Now next fifth problem. Exercise 2.2, fifth problem. AOB, COD are two triangles. Here two triangles are given at one figure. BAOCO. One line, two lines means this side same in length, this side same in length. How like given in the problem, same as it is, we can solve the answer. Okay. AOB up triangle, COD down triangle. In AOB, AB equal to AO. Two sides are equal. So AB opposite angle O, OA opposite angle B are equal. AOB, this angle equal to OBA, this angle. So given in the problem, this angle is 3x plus 10 degrees. With this I written here 3x plus 10 degrees because of AOB is isosceles triangle. Next, in COD, CD equal to CO. CD is equal to CO. Okay. CD opposite angle O, CO opposite angle D also same. In this diagram, this angle not given. Vertically opposite angles are equal. With this, we can write 3x plus 10 degrees this angle. In isosceles triangle, this is isosceles triangle, CD, CO equal sides. So opposite angles also equal. With that, I written here 3x plus 10 degrees. Okay. Now down triangle COD, angle O we got, Angle C also given in the problem 2x, angle D 3x plus 10. Now we had three angles, right? Sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle O plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. 3x plus 10 plus 2x plus 3x plus 10 is equal to 180 degrees. 3x, 2x, 5x plus 3x, 8x, 10, 10, 20 equal to 180. Send this 20 is equal to that side. 180 minus 20 gives 160. 8x is equal to 160. X is equal to 160 by 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 0. So the value of x is equal to 20 degrees. With this problem, first section completed. Now next, second problem. The difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 added to the bigger number, the result will be the 3 times of the smaller number. Find the numbers. So given in the problem, the difference between two numbers, see, the difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, assume that this is bigger number, this is smaller number. The result will be the 3 times the smaller number. Find the numbers. Between these two numbers, you assume any one of the number is x. Let be the smaller number is x. Okay. Or let be the bigger number is x. You can take any of that. The difference between two numbers is 8. Smaller number is x, bigger number, their difference is 8. Then to know the value of bigger number, send this smaller number is equal to that side. 8 plus x. If smaller number is x, then automatically bigger number is 8 plus x. These are, we just assume this is the smaller number, this is the bigger number. Now given in the problem a condition. What is that condition? If 2 is added to the bigger number, what happen? The result will be the 3 times of smaller number. So these two are equal. 8 to 10 plus x is equal to 3x. Now send this x is equal to that side. 3x minus x is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to x value is 5. Now smaller number is 5. Bigger number is 5 plus 8, 13. Small 5, big 13. Their difference 13 minus 5, 8. So our answer is correct. Now check how we can solve this problem. Let the smaller number be x. The difference between the two numbers is 8. Big number, smaller number is equal to 8. To find the value of big number, set the smaller number is equal to that side. 8 plus smaller number. Then bigger number is equal to 8 plus x. If 2 is added to the bigger number, what happen? Just we are adding here 8 plus x plus 2, 10x plus x. What happen? 3 times of the smaller number. Smaller number x, 3 times means 3 into x, 3x. So with this problem, these two values are equal. So 10 plus x is equal to 3x. As per the problem, send this x is equal to that side. Then 3x minus x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. X value is 5. Smaller number 5. Bigger number is 8 plus 5, 13. Then finally the numbers are 5 and 13. Second problem completed. Now next, third problem. Okay. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and their difference is 28? Let the before we did not same in this way. Let the smaller number of the two numbers be x, then bigger number is their difference 28, then bigger number is 28 plus x. Sum of the two numbers is 58. So bigger number is x plus 28, smaller number is x. Their sum is 58 as per the problem. X plus x, 2x plus 28 is equal to 58. Send this 28 is equal to that side. Plus 28 change as minus 28. 50, 20, 30, 8, 8, 0. 2x is equal to 30. X is equal to 15. Then bigger number is equal to 28 plus 15, 43. Smaller number is equal to 15. Otherwise we can do, see in maths there are many methods to solve the solution. If we have knowledge means. What are those two numbers whose sum? Let us assume that that let be the two numbers, big number A, small number B. Sum of two numbers A plus B is equal to 58 and their difference is 28. Assume that this is first equation, this is second equation. Add them. When you add two equations, symbols will not change. If you subtract two equations, symbols all will be changed in a second expression. Okay, same as it is, how like symbol is as it is. Plus B minus B cancel. 2A is equal to 8, 8, 16, 5, 7, 8, 86. A is equal to 86 by 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. Value of A is equal to 43. What is this? A big number. Then small number, A plus B is equal to 58. A value 43 plus B is equal to 58. B is equal to 58 minus 43. 8, 3, 5, 5, 4, 1. The smaller number value is 15. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family members. Thank you so much.